Alrighty, welcome back to where my YouTube career started, fixing my furnace. Believe it or not, I've already fixed this once before, but it was about 10 years ago, and it happened again. So, I don't know, about a week ago, I was sitting upstairs, just watching TV at night, and then I got cold, and I just kept getting colder, and the furnace didn't turn on. So I came down here, and the inducer motor right here. Let's get you a nice close-up. Inducer motor was hot, but it was not spinning. And that is never good when something electrical is hot and it's not working. And that's exactly what happened last time my inducer motor went out. So, in this box is what I hope is my new inducer motor. See if it's the right one with me. So let's check it out. And of course I cut towards myself just like you're supposed to. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Well, first, paper. And then another box. My nephew is always surprised when he gets a box for Christmas or his birthday. It blows his mind how many boxes he gets. So, alright. It's at least the right brand name. Fasco. Alright, let's see what we got. If I can get my knife in the pocket. Alright, check it out. More paper. Oh. Uh-oh. Let's see if it fits. Uh-oh. Oh, yep, it's the right one. Look at that. For a second I was worried, but it's the right one. This is the old one I took out. That's the other one. Cool. I'm only so worried that I had the wrong one because I went to a place that sells furnace parts and they sold me the wrong one. So, anyway, this looks to be right. It's pretty easy. Looks like we got a spade connector, and one of them things. There's, I think, about 4 bolts, I think, and some wires. That's about it. Looks like I gotta find where these wires go to, so that's gonna be exciting. All right, put it back in the box, and I will start taking the old one out. Alrighty, I've got several tools here. I tried to remember what I needed. The tools I used 10 years ago. Looks to be about 7/16. Yep, sure is. So I got a ratchet. Got an extension because I thought I might need one. It looks like I do. But there's also places where I might not be able to get a ratchet or an extension, so we'll see. Let's see. I also have my little zippy gun, which would actually work on all but one of them. But I have to find all the right parts or all the pieces, so I'll just use a ratchet. Alright, screw 1 is out, and that has one of the, that's like a ground. Apparently green is normally ground. Doesn't get the ground hooked to it. Before I go any farther, I'm going to see if I can't find where those wires plug into. Alrighty, in order to find where these wires go, I need to probably take this panel off. If not, then I guess I just did a little extra work. I'm doing this the hard way. I've got my zippy gun, but for 2 screws, I don't really want to get out the zippy gun. This should be easier this way, or at least quicker. This was in there good though. Oh, that didn't sound good. Okie dokie. All right, I see black and white wires. Cool. Oh, they go down there to that board. So, in this scenario, I take a picture just to make sure I don't screw anything up. So it's that white wire, that black wire. Cool. Also what I can do, I'm going to try to leave these plugged in until I get the new one in there. Then I'm going to unplug one at a time, hopefully. Alright, back to removal. Oh, let's make it there. Oh, yep. Okie dokie. Sometimes I take the extension off and use it like a screwdriver. I don't think I'm the only person that does that. I kind of remember fighting something on this job, so you might get to see a little entertainment. Alright, well this one, oh, my wobble socket does almost fit, or my wobble extension. Let's see, that was not very tight either. Who needs an extension when you got fingers, because that one was not tight. Oh man, but there's a washer on it, and all I can grip is the washer with my fingers. There we go. There we go. Yep, I've done the math, and if I spent as much on my last inducer motor as I did this one, plus that that sensor and igniter, I spent almost as much money on parts for this furnace as I would have if I would have bought a new furnace. But it's okay, the new furnace could have broke too, and then I would have had to replace it, so I'll just keep limping this along. Alright, looks like we got like a little vacuum hose thing. I don't know, some kind of hose. Let's not forget to put that back. Oh, we got a hose right here. Let's not forget that one. Is there another bolt? She ain't coming. Maybe it's just this PVC holding it on. If I remember right. Oh, no, it's something sticky holding it on. There we go. Alright, so this one's off. So now what I'm going to do is get the new one. Where'd I put the new one? Here it is. Let's see if I can do this. Let's put the old one down here. Let's get it all untangled. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Let's leave the old one down there plugged in. Now I'm going to put this one in. And then I will plug those other wires in. There we go. I'll plug those other wires in one at a time, the new ones. Alright, so before I forget, this hose. This hose. There we go. I know you knew where to put it. I just forgot. Alright. Let's do the one with the ground first so we don't forget that. Ground is important. Green means ground. Green also means go. But I think it means ground this time. Alright. Now, the key to getting multiple bolts started without screwing yourself is get them all in there loose so you know they're all going to start. And then start tightening them down. I've known people to tighten them one at a time before putting them all in there, and then they've got to take them all out and start over. because they can't get the last one in, or they can't get the last couple in. So that's a secret. By secret, I mean it's, I don't know. I feel like it's common sense, but I shouldn't say that because it's not common sense for some people. Alright, that one started. And then I gotta get this one in there. I wonder if I never even tightened this one last time. I bet I forgot, because I feel like I thought it was 3 for some reason. Probably just finger tightened it. Since that's the hardest one to get to, I think I'll do it first. Alright, where's my... There it is. There's my stuff. Come on, baby. Oh, it never even started for me earlier. Alright, it started now. Come on, baby. Yeah, I have a feeling that one never got tightened last time. Or it kind of got tightened and I gave up. Come on, honey. Sometimes he's sweet talking, sometimes you gotta talk to him a little mean. Good enough. Alright, that's tight. I'm always scared around plastic things too. I break plastic things. That one's tight. That one's tight. Cool. Ground's in. Now we got these 2 wires. So, alright, so I'm going to fish these 2 wires down through this grommet first. If there's room. That's a big if. Well, I thought that's how I would do it. But I don't think there's enough room in that grommet for new wires. So let's just try to remember which ones is it. It's this one and this one. So it's number 3 and the one that says DI. Black is DI. 3 is white. So to get these sons of guns out of here, probably one at a time as tight as it is. Oh yeah, nice and tight. It's a good thing I'm not a furnace repairman, isn't it? Now, how in tarnation? This grommet thing is some kind of contraption. I wonder if I just start getting aggressive here. I might have to get aggressive. This is how things go bad. This grommet thing seems like it comes apart and like clamps around my wires. Yeah. Oh, yep, broke it. It'll be alright. Alright, got those out. This will be easier now. Maybe. I knew if I broke it, it'd be easier. Oh, I really didn't break it though. I just gotta get these through here. All the way through there. That's good enough. That's all the way through. Alright, now make sure all the wires are in. And then I have to get it back in the hole somehow. Get in the hole. Ow, that was a sheet metal screw in my finger. Alright, this is hard. This is officially on my nerves. It doesn't take much to get on my nerves. but this is on my nerves. Things shouldn't be this hard. Why do we have to use this kind of grommet? It's like, this furnace was made somewhere between 2000 and 2006, which I'd say closer to 2000, because I bought this house in 2010. Oh, there we go. I bought the house in 2010, and it was already in pretty rough shape. All right, so white was in number 3. Oh, bumped you. White was in number 3. Come on, come on. I need little fingers. I didn't bring pliers down here for this job. I didn't know I'd need them. Ugh. Let's just poke it. Let's poke it with this. Oh, yep, poking it worked. All right, and then the black goes on DI. All right, in theory it should work. Let's flip the switch and see if it works. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, so far so good. That's spinning. Let's see if the rest of the process works. Oh, I heard the click up here. Up here. That's good. That's good. Let's see. Oh, let's see if you can see flames here in a second. Oh, is that what I think it is? Nope, you can see yourself, can't you? Oh, there it is. That's the flames. And this motor sounds a lot quieter than that other one ever sounded. I think it's a success. Alrighty, thanks for helping me with this project. As you can tell by the background noise, the furnace works. So, until next time, see you later.